Look at the camera.
Hi. Wow. Yan. Kamapa niya si Kylie.
Yes. Beautiful. Of course, our
Glam team.
the best glam team.
Of course. Karin ng the best.
Nakaka-pressure.
Nakaka-pressure.
Saan ka kontakin nga?
Please like, subscribe. Baba natin siya.
Yan. Wala ka na ba sa BF?
Nasa BF pa din.
Andun pa rin?
Ay, wala na, Doc.
Yung
Nasa
yung place mo doon?
Wala, no. Wala.
Saan? Nandito na sa Makati?
Yes, nandito na ako kay Doktora Tintin. At 21-21. Ba natin, Chico, kay Chair.
Anong pangalan nun?
Ay, sige po.
Ed's Go Makeup Studio. Diba,
Saan si
Doc?
Eds yan?
Hi. Babes, baba natin yung chair mo. Babes, can you stand up?
Stand up muna na.
Wow, bababa natin. Tiklopan mo ako nito.
Maraming kumuha. So we're just waiting here for Chinchin to finish the makeup. And we're going to Fairmont Hotel after. For Chinchin's, what do you call that?
The ball.
The ball of my youngest daughter. So, dito kami ngayon sa Nobel Clinic.
May i-adjust siya, may tatahiin daw siya. Tapos dito Elsa.
Opo, may body makeup to, Doc. Para...
Magbibihis na siya ngayon. Diretso na.
No, wait mo. Later we'll set it pa.
Oh, so set na. Kanta, dito.
Yes, of course. Wow naman.
What's that?
Ang ganda naman ng dandan.
Right ko na lang ito para yung face na.
Ano ba to?
Ribbon lang po, ma'am.
Sir, pag ganyan or pag ganon? I think pag ganyan lang. Tama. Tama. And then, I'll just put the rest on the double tie or just ano? I'll double tie it. It's okay naman to have it go around. Where the ball is. Bakit?
Thank you very
There you
much,
go.
ma'am. Thank you,
My
ma'am.
mom's there. You can find her. She's in the line ng reception. I told her naman na she'll leave it. So yeah, she'll know naman. Just tell.
Kaso pagka umano yan, babalik na doon. Di ba? Let's do this. Here. Ayun ka lang.
Oh my God.
Wait, wait. Tigas. Sige. Mas na. Taas mo, taas. Para tanggalin mo lang madali.
Si Adrian daw, she's coming. Can someone get
Oh.
her clothes?
Saan?
Sa lobby mamaya. Wala pa siya.
Ano gagawin?
He's gonna get it. We're gonna get it sa room. Daddy, you're listening.
Young.
21?
Oo, 21. A fabulous. Young. Yuma. Lopez. Next. 25. Hidalgo. Nasa iba yung talaan ng Hidalgo. Ano mamaya na? Hanapin ko muna yung concession.
Yes.
Ayun, nakaya na.
Hanapin ko muna ibang section. O, mag-solo na tayo. 31. Answer ka.
At the OB Montessori's grand, what do you call this? Grand ball. For Chin-Chin's Chin-Chin's grand ball, no? She's now grade 11, no? Grade 11. So parang ito yung kanilang JS prom. Sa Tagalog, JS prom. Sa Tagalog na kanilang grand ball is it's the JS prom of OB Montessori. Yan, nakita mo, ang dami maganda. Everybody's bihis. Lahat sila ay bihis. Everybody's bihis. No? They all look good. Come on, boy. Ayan, no? Everyone is bihis. So we're still waiting for mommy. You know. Kuya is the chaperone tonight. Yeah, no, everyone is bihis. So nice, everyone is dressed for the occasion. Ayan. Tayong teacher mo na. Hi, hello.
Hello po.
Hi.
Thank you so much po. Unfortunately, yung parents po and other hanggang lobby lang.
Ay, okay, I'm sorry. We're sorry. Okay. Hello. Hi guys. Wow. Hello vlog. Can I get a shot from you guys? Wow. Alright. See? Super guwapo. Okay, tayo ang labas. We cannot go inside. Asan si Mama? Let's wait for Mommy. Unfortunately, we're here. They did not allow us. Bawal daw. So, okay, third floor. Yan, so this is our room. We're checked in here for the night. Yeah. Oh no.
Saan tayo mag-dinner?
Let's have dinner somewhere. It's Mother's Day.
Tomorrow.
No, today.
Today and tomorrow. Chichi, wala ano ka?
310 ba?
Yeah.
So it's 310. Alright, this is the room. Baby. I don't know. What? How are we going to fit here? We're not going to fit here.
Because there's no extra bed. Nag-room upgrade ako, walang available ulit. Sana may extra bed, pwede na di ba? But no available. Dito lang ako. Why, you wanna sleep here? Or Daddy will be here? Daddy will sleep here.
Mm-hmm.
Meron naman do extra pillow and